it will be good if he comes back before the meeting.
I will ask him.
I will inform others.
Okay. What am I doing? Shall I call him? No, let it be. Let me try and call him once. Yash, pick up the phone. It's about you. Don't complain to me later that I didn't tell you about the meeting.
Hello? Hello? Yes, tell me, Neha. Hello? Neha?
Hello, Yash. What happened to your voice? Are you okay? Tell me.
I'm in London, Neha. It's 3 a.m. now.
My goodness, I'm so sorry. I will call you in the morning according to the afternoon time in London. During the afternoon, will it be morning here? No, sorry. I'll call you in the afternoon so it will be morning there. Hello? I ran out of balance.
Wow.
How do I look?
Good, wonderful. Wow. That's good. That's good. Are you okay?
Yes. Why?
Mithila, no, don't work so much. I feel the pressure. Okay? Did you tell them when to come?
Yes. I sent a car to bring them here.
Oh, good.
Apart from that, I even told them about our customs, habits, language. I told them about everything.
What about the women of the house?
How could I forget that? And yes, they are not having this marriage for the sake of money. I got it all cleared. The parents seem to be simple. I told them that their daughter is very fortunate.
Good. Today I give you the permission. You will sit next to me when the guests arrive. I will tell them with pride that you are my sister-in-law, okay?
Really?
Yep.
After becoming a part of this family, I have been waiting for this day. Even if it's a small place in this family, I should have a place in this family.
Come on now. Enough with your melodrama. You went overboard. You are overacting. I'll be back.
Let me know if you need any other documents.
Yes, I will give you the exit form, fill in and give it to me, so we will be done with all the formalities.
Okay. That tapping on the table sounds nice.
Sorry, Neha.
Why are you saying sorry? Who else will you fight with if not your loved ones?
What did HR tell you?
She told me to fill in the exit form and took some documents. She was asking me about the reasons for leaving the job. She asked me if I would come back if there is a good opportunity. Shefali, please don't cry. Hey, look. Our friendship will remain the same even after leaving the job, right? And You are not only my friend, you are Pari's aunt too, aren't you? You will come to meet Pari, won't you? Look, let's do one thing. We will meet once every week. We will meet every Saturday.
You won't get it, Neha. Do you know that you were a great support to me at work? If I'd made a mistake, I would come running to you. Whenever I faced problems, you had solutions for me all the times. Now if I mess up anything up, who will help me fix it? Who will take my side in front of Mr. Samir? Please don't go, please. Why are you leaving the job?
Hello, Miss Shefali. What happened? Why are you crying?
Neha is leaving the job, sir.
I know it. It was decided already. Miss Neha, do let me know if you need anything.
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir. Sit down. Why are you crying? You are good at your job. Just focus on your work. If you focus on your work a bit more, you won't need anybody's help. Don't worry about Samir sir. He drools over you.
Really?
No. I said it so that you will stop crying.
You are so mean, Neha. You're heartless. That's why you were messing around with me. Why did you fight with Mr. Yash? You would have been working here had you not fought with him.
Shefali, forget it now. Thank you.
For what?
Because I will never have a friend like you in my life. There is no one like you in the whole world. You're my best friend. I'll miss you a lot. Riding with you on the bike, showering me with big gifts on my birthday, sharing our secrets with each other so loudly. I will miss these things a lot. You will come to meet me, won't you?
I will come at midnight.
No need. Your mother will stay awake waiting for you. Okay, I must leave now. I have 2 interviews lined up for today.
Neha, before you leave, can we have a cup of coffee for good luck?
Sure.
Come on.
What did you say her name was?
Sunena Kherkar. My parents.
Greetings.
They don't speak much. I will have to speak. I had sent all the information about me.
Good. I like that you speak in a forthright manner. But it would be better if you speak in a forthright manner occasionally. Please?
Please have it.
Isn't Yashvardhan Chaudhary here?
He went to London for a meeting. My baby. I mean, he travels abroad often for business. We will meet again once he comes back.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, he always listens to me. So,
She's his mother after all.
He addresses me mom too. But I'm his aunt. Listen, they have come with a marriage proposal for Yash.
Marriage proposal. Simi started again with her new deals.
No,
Huh?
I came up with this marriage proposal.
You came up with this marriage proposal. After the elder aunt, has a younger aunt also started coming up with such deals?
why are you saying this? I genuinely came up with this marriage proposal.
You genuinely came up with this. Okay, I will see what needs to be done. Go on, I will handle it. Hey.
Did you tell the old man about the guests? Why isn't he here yet?
He will be here soon. There's one more thing that I liked here.
What is it?
In your house,
Palace? It's our palace.
there are more rooms than people in your palace. I mean, no one needs to interfere in anybody's life. We are better off this way. I wanted to marry into such a family.
Who will take care of the house?
Dad,
The daughter-in-law is responsible to take care of the house, isn't it? If she doesn't take responsibility, who will? Why are you standing? Have a seat, have a seat. Don't show respect for the sake of it.
please, please, have a seat, have a seat.
Who are you?
I am Yash's grandfather. Didn't they tell you about me?
Dad, we were...
No. Do you live with them too?
No, we live together. This is my house.
This is good news. I mean, my son wanted a grandfather, but he will have a great grandfather too.
Was it necessary to tell them about all this?
What do I tell her?
Weren't you aware of this? Why did your first marriage break up? Were you married against your will?
No, I had a love marriage. But it didn't work out after the marriage. He wanted a housewife, the one who would take care of the house and the family. We were not even 1 year into the marriage, and my ex-husband wanted me to have a child. I didn't want to have a child so soon, but the end it happened. Taking care of the child, husband, the house, the family, it was too much. But I told this to him directly. Look, I won't able to take responsibility of the child and other things. Then we had a divorce. So this time I had decided that I'd be better to be clear about these things and then make a decision.
You may leave now. We will let you know. Huh?
Okay.
Dad,
Don't say a word. I asked you to find a female suitor for Yash. And this is what you came up with. A married woman. She has a son too. Is this what you found? My grandson is not marrying for the second time, got it? Did you see the way she behaved and talked? She finds it difficult to take care of her own son. How will she take care of Yash? Is this what you found for him? Even the animals don't forget their motherly instincts. But you are even worse than animals. He's been toiling away there for you people. Why? So you could live a life of comfort and ease. But you didn't even make an effort to make the inquiry. What's the hurry? Now I remember. You saw the advocate coming in here? You must have been shocked to see him here. Is the old man bequeathing everything to his grandson? We should hurry up and get him married at the earliest. It's okay if the girl has been married before. We just have to get him married. No, I don't want to hear anything.
Dad, it's nothing like that.
Ask your wife then. Ask her if this is not true. Idiot, you're questioning your father. You should rather find out what your wife is doing.
Dad, believe me, I really didn't know anything. Mithila had done all the inquiries, so I...
Enough. Don't pin the blame on others. I'm warning you. Is this what you found for Yash? You're dreaming about handling the entire business. You don't even deserve to live here. You really don't. Get out of the house. Out. Get out.
Dad,
Get out.
Dad, listen.
Dad,
Get out.
Dad,
Get
it's
out.
nothing like that, Dad.
Get
Dad,
out.
Please,
Get
Dad.
out.
Dad, listen to her.
Get
Please
out.
listen to me.
I really didn't do anything.
Dad, please.
Just get
please
out.
don't do
Just
this.
get out.
Please.
Don't
Dad,
show me your
Dad,
face
please
ever
don't do
again.
this, Dad.
Get out, the both of you. I don't
apologize
want
to you
your
on her behalf.
apologies.
Please don't
No,
do this,
no,
Dad.
nothing of that sort. Get
Dad,
out.
do we want to
Just
Dad?
get out.
Please. Dad. See, Dad, if you want, I will slap myself. Look, Dad. Look, Dad.
If you had slapped her like this, then this time wouldn't have come. Will her sins be washed away because of your apology? She's a termite. She'll make the whole house weak.
Simi, get up. Simi, get up. Simi, apologize. Simi, apologize. Simi, apologize. Fold your hands and apologize.
Dad, I was wrong. I should not have behaved in such a way, and I should not have done that when it comes to Yash at all. I promise you, Dad. I will not give Yash or you any reason to complain after today.
Simi, get down on his feet.
Dad, I was wrong. Forgive me.
I'm telling you one thing for information. Yash has taken a decision about his marriage. You both should not interfere in between, okay?
Simi.